Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to go through the Tier 3 trauma kit, which I think is an awesome modular system. Now this is part 3 of the modular custom trauma kit series, so if you haven't checked the other videos, I'll put a link in the description below where you can check it out. So let's get straight into it. So this is our Tier 2 kit. What we have here is a decent trauma dressing. This is an Olays. Also highly recommend the T3. We have some compressed gauze. We have a pair of nitrile gloves. We have a space blanket. And we have a Russell vented chest seal. Now this is an awesome setup as it is, but there's a few extra things that we can do. Now the first is going to be a Airway Adjunct. So what you could do is you can add some nasal pharyngeal, oropharyngeal airways. So I'll use this one as an example. This is an oropharyngeal airway. Now this is an advanced skill and you need to be trained in their use. But some kind of airway adjunct can really make a difference in providing good quality CPR. So I use that as an example. And what you could do is carry the most common sizes, or the sizes you're likely to use depending on your workplace. So for example, if you work in nightclub security, you probably want to have the adult sizes. Something along those lines. Now sticking with the CPR theme, a decent CPR face shield. You can get different types. Obviously this is the most basic, but definitely you want to prevent that cross-contamination. At the time of recording, COVID is still very much in effect and affecting the way we perform first aid. If you haven't got the PPE required to perform decent CPR, then just stick with hands only, and it's not a problem until help arrives. In addition to this, we're going to focus a bit more on bleeding control, and if you can afford it, something like Celox Rapid Z-Fold gauze is an awesome addition. So this is basically compressed gauze which has a hemostatic agent which basically helps the body clot more effectively. So if you're wound packing, perhaps a junctional area, this really does do the job. Compressed gauze does work and does work really well, but this just works so much better. So what you could do is replace this with this, or simply add it to it if you wanted to. Now at the time of recording, Celox comes in at around £45, so it is expensive, but just like the Olays, it is battle tested and this saves lives every single day. Okay, so last but no means least, we're going to be adding in a cat tourniquet. So I do like the Rescue Orange. You don't need tactical black in a civilian situation, and it's definitely a mainstay of a decent trauma kit. Any bleed to the extremity, that's pretty much going to deal with it. Anything from amputations to gunshots and knife wounds. Really awesome bit of kit. Can be applied one-handed with a little bit of practice, and I always recommend having it in the staged position. Now again, this is an item which does require training, so definitely recommend you get some of that before you go using it. So there we go, that is the Tier 3 trauma kit. I'll actually give you the price for the cat. At the time of recording, the cat Gen 7 is £29.40. So really not that much money, considering you could save someone's life with this. So with Tier 3, we have wound packing covered, we have bleeding to the extremities, we have bleeding pretty much everywhere, we have penetrating chest injuries covered, a little bit of heat retention, and airways and CPR. So it really is the more complete package. So hopefully this has been useful to you. Like I said in the previous videos, this is a modular system. This kit can be expensive, although you can find good deals, and I'll give you a link to that link as well. But what you can do is buy one item a month. So for example, you could buy the Olays one month, you could buy the cat the next month, the chest seal, and slowly work your way up into a full comprehensive kit. So there we go. that's the kit. Now, where can you get it from? So, I've been working really closely with Reflex Medical, and they've kindly given us a 10% discount code. So if you use the code SurvivalDads at their website, I'll leave a link below as always, you'll be able to get 10% off and save yourself a little bit of money on their already awesome prices. So thanks for watching, stay safe, carry gear, get training, and save lives.